Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to compare fractions with the same denominator. So I have 3/8 and 7/8. So if you notice, this is your denominator, which is the number at the bottom, okay? And the denominator tells you how many parts you have in a whole. So here I have 8 total parts. The numerator is the number at the top, and the numerator tells you how many parts are shaded out of the whole, okay? So I have 8 total parts and 3 are shaded. And then I have 8 total parts and 7 are shaded. So if you notice, the denominators are the same and the numerators are not. So I'm trying to figure out which one is greater. So if you notice, 3 shaded is less than 7 shaded, okay? So you can draw a picture. You can also use a number line like the one I have here, and we have 0 and 1 whole, and we have the number line divided into 8 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3/8 would be here, and 7/8 would be here. So if you notice, 7/8 is closer to 1 whole, and 3/8 is closer to 1/2, okay? So 7/8 would be greater than 3/8, okay? Now another way you can also compare is using your fraction tiles. So I have 3/8 here, and then I'm going to compare that to 7/8. Which is here. So if you notice, 3/8 is a lot smaller than 7/8, okay? Now the last method that I'm going to show you is called the butterfly method. And you can multiply the denominator and the numerator. So 3 times 8 would be 24. And then do the same with the opposite numbers. 8 times 7 would be 56. Okay? And here it tells you that 24 is less than 56. So I would have to write my inequality. 3/8 is less than 7/8. Okay? All right, now let's do some examples together. So we have 5/6 and 5/6. One eighth and 2/8. 4/6 and 2/6. 2/4 and 1/4. All right. So here we have 5/6 and 5/6. So this is 5/6. And if I have another 5/6, I can put it one on top of another, like so. And what do you know? They are exactly the same, because the numerator is the same as the numerator and the denominator is the same as the denominator. So I would put an equal sign, okay? Over here, we have 4/6 and then we have 2/6. So 4/6 is greater than 2/6. So the alligator eats the bigger number. Now, over here, we have 8, 1/8, and 2/8. So 2/8 is greater than 1/8. And finally, we have 2/4 compared to 1/4. So 2/4 is greater than 1/4. And that's how we compare fractions with the same denominator.